This video demonstrates how to install eSquare Studio and GCC for RX Toolchain on macOS. The software used in this demonstration are listed in the table. eSquare Studio is supported on macOS Ventura 13 and later version. First, download the eSquare Studio. Please scan this QR code, or go to the download page from the Renesas website. Next, download the GCC for Renesas GNU RX macOS Toolchain. Please scan this QR code, or go to the download page from the website. Double-click the eSquare Studio installer to extract it. Drag the eSquare Studio application to the Applications folder, making it available in the macOS Launchpad. Open eSquare Studio from the Applications folder. When launching the installer, you may encounter an error message. This occurs because macOS blocks the execution of applications downloaded from the internet. This error can be solved by using the xattr command to mark the application as valid after extracting it from the archive file. Open the terminal. Enter terminal command xattr-d com.apple.quarantine. Then, drag the eSquare Studio application to the command. This gives the entire path of the eSquare Studio application. Press Enter. Once this terminal command is executed, you should be able to double-click on eSquare Studio application again and successfully start the application. Double-click the GCC installer to extract it. Open the terminal. Change the attribute of the folder. Enter terminal command xattr-dr com.apple.quarantine, GCC for Renesas RX Mac. Press Enter. Launch the eSquare Studio. Go to Help. Add Renesas Toolchains. Click Add to add toolchain. Click Browse to select the toolchain path. Select the toolchain folder. Click Open. Click OK once the toolchain is detected. Click Apply and Close to integrate it. GCC for Renesas RX Toolchain is installed successfully. For more details, refer to the eSquare Studio information for RX family.